Hello everyone, today we're going to solve set 10, problem 17 and 18. Problem 17. A 5 by 5 centimeter square is cut into 5 pieces as shown. Each cut is a sequence of identical copies of the same shape but pointing up, down, left, or right. Which piece has the shortest perimeter? So I'm going to say the length of this this shape as x centimeters, and then the side of a square as 1 centimeters. Now, since the shape is longer than the side of one of the squares, x is greater than 1. So the perimeters of the 5, let's find the perimeter of the 5 pieces. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shapes. So we have A, B, C, D, and E have plus 5x. And then the length of the size of the squares is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So C is 7 plus 5x centimeters. B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7x. Did I count something wrong? Let me do it again. Oh, I didn't count these 3 shapes. So it is plus 10x, and then we have 2 sides of squares. So we have 2 plus 10x for B, and then for A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have plus 6x, and then we have 2, 3, and 4. So for A we have 4 plus 6x centimeters. For D we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 plus 6x centimeters for D. And then for E we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 11x, and then we only have one side of square, so it's 1. Now, and then we're finding the shortest perimeter. So A is going to be about 10.x centimeters. It was 10.8 centimeters. And then B is going to be 12.b centimeters. And then C is going to be 12.c centimeters. And then D is going to be 12.d centimeters. And then E is going to be 12.e centimeters. So the shortest perimeter is A. Problem 18. Weighing the baby at the clinic was a problem. The baby would not keep still and caused the scales to wobble. So I held the baby and stood on the scales while the nurse read off 78 kilograms. Then the nurse held the baby while I read off 69 kilograms. Finally, I held the nurse while the baby read off 137 kilograms. What was the combined weight of all 3? I'm going to say M as the weight of myself, and then N as the weight of the nurse, and then B as the weight of the baby. if you look at this sentence here, the weight is 78 kilograms, and then this is the sum of the baby and me. So B plus M is equal to 78. Then the second one, the weight is 69 kilograms, and then it's the sum of the nurse and then the baby. The last one, we have the nurse and myself is 137 kilograms. So if we add all the equations, we have 2 times m plus n plus b, and then we have, if we add those three numbers, we have 78, 69, we have 7, 147 plus 137, we have 284. And if we divide by 2, it is going to be 142. So the combined weight of all three is 142 kilograms, so C is the correct answer. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you again. Bye.